Hello my YouTube friends, it's Bobbie from 5th Avenue Cakes, and today we're going to make a sparkle monogram cookie, so let's get decorating. Starting with flood consistency white icing in a tipless bag, ice your cookie. Use a scribe tool to coax the icing to the edge of the cookie. Allow the cookie to dry for 8 to 12 hours. Create a paint by mixing gold blush luster dust and a little bit of Everclear. Then take a square flat brush and paint the entire cookie. Be mindful to paint in one direction. I'm painting from top to bottom. Immediately after painting the luster dust, and while it's still tacky, begin applying the sugar crystals using a color shaper. If you don't have a small tapered color shaper, a round brush will work just the same. Continue applying the sugar crystals. You want to make the design wide at the top and narrow at the bottom, and we're going to come down about 1/4 of the way. I've drawn a little guide with a graphite pencil for the monogram letter I want to use. Load a small round brush with the gold blush paint that we just created and paint the monogram letter. Now add a little bit of red luster dust to the gold blush luster dust paint that we already have. You might need to add a little bit more of the Everclear, or you can use lemon extract if you prefer that, and overpaint the monogram letter. Allow the monogram paint to dry. Once it's dry, using a little bit of antique gold luster dust dry, we're going to dry paint the luster dust directly onto the cookie. And we need that monogram to be dry so that it doesn't smear. This is going to give us that amazing sparkle effect. With medium consistency icing and a tip number 1.5, begin piping your decorative border around the cookie. Thank you everyone for watching.